Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a kawaii watermelon slice. So let's get started. So it's a kawaii watermelon slice. So first of all I am going to draw a bow at the side to make it more cute. Just draw a ball like this. Okay. Now make a line and we'll draw a semicircle. Okay, now extend the line a little bit, then make the outer line. Okay, so this is our cute kawaii watermelon slice. Now I'm going to draw two eyes to make it more cute. For that, just draw two circles and two smaller circles inside and a mouth. Finally, some watermelon seeds. Okay, so our cute kawaii watermelon drawing is complete. Now let's start coloring.